Welcome, Master Engineers, to an exciting new project. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of physics and probability as we begin building our very own giant DIY Plinko board. Get ready to measure, cut, and construct something truly amazing. Our first crucial step is to construct the main frame of the Plinko board. This frame will be the sturdy backbone, holding all our components together. We'll be working with durable wood, ensuring our board can withstand countless drops and bounces. Precision is key here. Every cut needs to be accurate to ensure the board is perfectly square and stable. We're using power tools, so safety first. Always make sure an adult is supervising and helping with these steps. Once our pieces are cut, it's time to assemble the frame. We'll be joining these wooden sections together, creating a robust structure that will house our Plinko pegs and guide the falling discs. This frame isn't just about holding things. It's about creating the perfect environment for our Plinko chips to tumble down, demonstrating the unpredictable yet statistically predictable path of probability. With the main frame complete, we move on to the most iconic part of any Plinko board, the pegs. These small obstacles are what make the game so exciting, creating a maze for our falling discs. Installing the pegs requires careful planning. We need to mark out a precise grid pattern on the backboard of our Plinko frame. This pattern ensures an even distribution, allowing for a true game of chance. Each mark represents where a peg will be installed. This step is repetitive, but absolutely essential for the game to work correctly. Think of it as setting up the tiny decision makers for our Plinko chips. Now, for the installation, we'll be drilling pilot holes for each peg. This prevents the wood from splitting and ensures a snug fit for every single peg. And then, one by one, we carefully insert each peg into its designated spot. This is where the board truly starts to come alive, transforming from a simple frame into a complex game of probability. It's a meticulous process, but seeing the grid of pegs emerge is incredibly satisfying. Each peg is a tiny barrier, influencing the path of the Plinko chip, creating a cascade of choices. We're making great progress, but as you can see, there are still many more pegs to go. This is a big project, and it takes time and patience to get it just right. The board is really starting to take shape, but we're not quite finished yet. We've got the frame, and we've started on the pegs, but there's still so much more to do before our giant Plinko board is ready for action. Join us in part 2, where we'll tackle the rest of the pegs, add the clear front panel, and put our giant DIY Plinko board to the ultimate test. Don't miss it. Welcome back, Master Engineers. In part 1, we built the massive frame and carefully placed all the pegs for our giant DIY Plinko board. Remember how we made sure everything was super sturdy? Now for the fun part, decorating. We're going to transform this plain board into a vibrant Carnival masterpiece using bright crimson red, sunny golden yellow, and vivid royal blue. Imagine all the exciting patterns and graphics we can add. Next, we're building and installing the bottom scoring zones. These will be clear cups or dividers, each with different point values. We'll attach them securely to the base of the board. As the puck tumbles down, it hits pegs, changing direction randomly. This is where probability and physics come into play, making every drop a unique adventure. Now meet our giant puck. It's specially designed to be the perfect size and weight for our board, ensuring it interacts just right with all those pegs. We'll give it a quick test run. The moment of truth. We're dropping the puck from the very top. Watch closely as it navigates the maze of pegs, bouncing and spinning until it finally lands in one of our scoring zones. Success! Our giant DIY Plinko board is complete and fully functional. The colors are amazing, the scoring zones work perfectly, and the puck delivers thrilling drops every time. You can build your own version, experimenting with different materials and designs. What kind of giant game will you create next?